subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Gionee launched the STYLEFIT GSW8 Smartwatch in India last month. The Chinese company has now updated the lineup with the introduction of the STYLEFIT GSW6 and STYLEFIT GSW8 smartwatches. The two new smartwatches share similar features, but the designs are different. While the Gionee Stylfit GSW6 adopts a square-shaped watch face, the STYLEFIT GSW8 comes with a round dial. The two smartwatches are equipped with a SPO2 monitor, a heart rate monitor, a sleep tracker, a calorie meter, and more. The STYLEFIT GSW6 and STYLEFIT GSW8 also pack a built-in speaker and a microphone, which allows users to take calls right from the smartwatch when there is an incoming call on a connected smartphone. The watches are connected to the smartphone through Bluetooth, and Gionee touts the sound quality to be clear and comfortable. The STYLEFIT GSW8, which is obviously the higher model, has generous storage that allowed users to add up to 30 songs that can be played while working out. In addition to music control and option to connect the watch to devices like headphones or neckbands for music playback, the GSW8 also lets you store up to 30 songs for offline playback. You also get other important features on board, such as a pedometer, camera control, menstrual cycle tracker, calorie counter, Find My Phone feature. There are also multi-sport modes such as outdoor run, indoor walk, outdoor walk, hiking, stair-stepper, outdoor cycle, stationary bike, elliptical, rowing machine and more. The square-shaped GSW6 grams a decent 220 mAh battery under the hood. The battery comes with 15 days standby time and 5 days use. On the other hand, the high-end GSW8 packs a 300 mAh battery that promises up to 7 days battery life for daily usage and 18 days standby time. As for the pricing and availability, the Gionee Stylfit GSW6 carries a decent price tag, PFRs $2,999, $40. It is available in matte black color only and can be purchased on Amazon.in. On the other hand, the Gionee Stylfit GSW8 is available in an Eclipse black version and a sienna brown version with a leather strap. The Eclipse black model is priced at Rs. $3,499, $47, while the sienna brown variant will retail for Rs. $3,799, $51. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.